What's happening, YouTube? So this part of the video came from, like, I don't know, day 3 of my trip to based a whole trip around the Clown Motel. I don't know why. Just random things I like. So what you're gonna watch right now is I stopped at a place in Nevada. I'm not gonna tell you the name of it. You have to figure it out for yourself. I don't know. I feel weird about saying the names of places now. You know, everything's becoming so popular. But anyways, I'm at camp, having some beers, editing video, and I decided they're not all going to be in order. So this is going to be the first one in the series. It's probably going to be a 4, 5, 6-part series. I don't know. I'll try to keep them around 10-minute videos. Anyways, if you're not already done so, like and subscribe to the channel. You know the drill. I mean, God, this is just awesome. What a bitchin' camp spot. Seriously. So rad. Alright, enjoy this video. It was a pretty cool spot. A lot of people probably going to recognize it, but I love it. I think it's just a bitchin' area. I wish I would have had more time to spend exploring it, but I needed to find camp tonight. And I think I did a pretty good job of doing so. I mean, check it out. Look at that view. Pretty awesome. Somewhere in the middle of Nevada at 7,000 feet. I've had jets fly over. A few times they broke the sound barrier, which was really cool. All right, let's poke our head in here real quick. It's a lot of thunderstorms around, so I sure wouldn't want to get caught in a flash flood in such a place, but I think we got a minute or two. Poke our head in here. See if we can find our way in. Pretty awesome, huh? It's really tight. I don't think I can fit up there. That's too tight. We can go around this way. Ooh, even tighter. Oh, it opens up. It's a dead end. Nope. Yep. Wow. Pretty awesome, huh? Pretty tight. Uh-oh. Which way did we come? Just kidding. Kind of. Pretty awesome area. Very cool little stopover point. Just thought I'd show you guys this place. Nevada has lots of cool spots. We'll leave it at that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little short video and short walk through this interesting area. So neat. Look like you're on the moon. Well, there's another one. I thought the video was over, but it's not. This is really too cool. Oh, dead ends. Woo! Almost died. Way too cool.